In this video, I would like to show you how to get more signups for your Facebook group with a software called Sniply. Now, first of all, what exactly is Sniply? Well, it is basically adding a little box right here to any website that you're going on. So for instance, we have a website like the Washington Post, we have websites like CNN or something like that. And basically, this software enables you to always put this little box right here when people click on a link and go to, for instance, this platform. So for instance, let's say you're sharing a link to this platform with your followers on Facebook. Then when the followers click on that link, they will always see this little box down here, which basically shows, for instance, something of your brand and a button where they can click on in order to be led to your Facebook group. So how exactly does all of this work? Well, it is very, very simple. First of all, let's have a look at the pricing. Now, there is actually a free version which I'm going to show you how to use. You can get up to 1,000 clicks. And here, for instance, we basically got 5,000 clicks per month. So this is basically for people who really want to scale. Then we got the pro version, 20,000 clicks per month, then 6 brand profiles, 3 team members, and so on and so on. You can try it or you can buy it. And the cool thing about these is, of course, that you can also do some A/B testing, and it just gives you the option for more clicks every single month. So for instance, this one right here actually is probably the one that you will not need very soon. This one is then for $299 per month for 255,000 clicks per month. So what I'm going to show you right now is how to use the free version. So what we want to do is you want to visit dashboard, and then we go up here and we are going to create a snip. So we click on here, and then what it's going to offer us is basically this over here. It says enter a URL. So for instance, if you give people the option, or if you share, for instance, an article or a YouTube video, then you can add a link. So let's actually go with a fitness video, because many people are interested in fitness videos. And if you post that, for instance, in a group of people who want to work out, who are interested in working out, then definitely this makes sense to do. So this, for instance, here is a YouTube video, a motivational video, and you can take this video right here and you can enter it up here. You put the link in here, and then what it does, it just adds this little thing down here. So every time people then click on this video, they will see this right down here. And it says, join my VIP Facebook group for free, and then click here, and then the link, this one, goes directly to our Facebook group, to this Facebook group right here. So actually, let's create this snip right now, and then I will show you how it will look like in real life. So let's take this on, and let's type it in. And now this will lead people to this motivational video on YouTube, and basically it will show this down here. This is now the motivational video for people who are into fitness and so on. And then down here it will say, join my VIP Facebook group for free. Now you always want to make sure that the Facebook group itself matches with the message of the content that you're sharing. And in this case, it doesn't. So for instance, what we could go is we could look, for instance, let's say on CNN or something like that. We could go to CNN.com, and then we could say, all right, we are looking for something related to Facebook ads. So let's actually type into the search bar up here, Facebook ads. And now we can put that in there. Let's see if it gives us anything. Does a free press mean more regulation on Facebook? So let's actually go with this one right here. This is something that is a little bit related to it. So we take the link from up here, and we're going to go back to our creator. So we click on this one right here, and then I'm going to create a new snip. So this might take a couple of seconds. And now we click up here on create snip. And now what we can do is we can create a snip again, and we can enter again the URL. This is now the URL of this article right here. And now we can click on create snip, and then we have a snip that we can share with other people. So remember this article right here. And now what we can do is we can look at this snip, and then there you go. It will show the box down here. So this is the same article as right here, but it shows basically my box down here. When people are like, okay, this looks interesting, you can just click here, and then it will lead directly to a Facebook group that I'm managing. In this case, actually, this one right here. Alright, that's how you can use Sniply.com. I think it's an amazing platform. It's completely for free, up to 1,000 clicks per month, so I can definitely recommend you using it. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see each other in the next video.